Welcome to the channel, and thank you for joining today. In this video, we will explore how to control who can add members to a board on the Trello mobile app. If you manage projects with a team, it is important to know how to set these permissions. First, open the Trello app on your phone. Next, find the board you want to manage and open it. Then, look for the three dots located at the top. Right and tap on them. Next, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Adding Members. Tap on it, and you will see the choices for who can add new members to the board. You can select either board admins or board members depending on how much control you want to give. Finally, after making your choice, tap on the Save button to confirm the changes. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.